today I'll be showing you how to make a survival-friendly 2x2 piston door. So first you'll need a building block of your choice. Then you're going to need a redstone, dust, and a redstone torch. Then you'll need a sticky piston, 4 of them. And then you'll need a pressure plate. So first you want to dig a 2-block deep 2x6 hole. Then once you have the hole, dig 3 blocks in both directions, so 1, 2, 3. Then dig the first 2 blocks another block down. Now you want to fill up the entire area that is lower than the other 2 blocks with redstone. Then place a redstone torch on both sides. Then you want to place a block right over the redstone torches. Then you want to cover up all this. Add in your pressure plates on both sides. Then put in the pistons. Now you'll notice why the top pistons aren't moving. You can easily fix that by placing a block of redstone on the block that we have right here. Now add in the block you want to put in the middle, so I'll put in something random. Okay. Now as you can see, the sheep has been activating the door. So yeah, this is very compact, survival friendly, and it's quite fast. If we run at it in full sprint, it won't really stop us at all. See? Yeah. So that's it.